Good morning, my artists, and happy St. Patrick's Day. So, today we are in a different spot because I forgot to charge my computer overnight. And so we're plugged into the wall, but we can work on the floor. Um, Yesterday, my friend Aston had asked for an example, my finished example. Well, I didn't have it. So, today I have two. I have a small version that we're going to make together, and I have a big one. Now today I made two before this, and I'm going to have three after this because today in my neighborhood they're doing a shamrock hide and seek where the families in the neighborhood walk around and spend some time outside and look for shamrocks in the windows of the houses. And so I'm participating in that. That's why I have a couple different sizes. And I'm going to make a third one so I can do 3 windows. All right, so here's a finished example for my friend Aston. Here's the smaller one, and it has little sparklies on it. And then I have this larger one, which I painted on big paper. It's still drying. But we're going to learn how to make shamrocks, and you can make as many as you want. So, and you can use any kind of paper, and if you have markers, you can color them in with those, or paints to paint them in, like I painted that big one. As you can see, Chase and Otto are very helpful today. They're very good teaching assistants. So these are the items you'll need. You'll need some glue if you're going to glue some things on. This is not regular Elmer's glue. This is rubber cement, and it kind of looks like boogers. Yuck. And it's very, very sticky. So you might need help from your parent. I also have some embellishments or sparklies to add. You'll need a pen or a pencil to trace. You'll need a little piece of paper. This is to make our heart template. Did you know that shamrocks are made of hearts? So we're going to make one of these first so you can trace it. And then you'll need something to make the shamrock out of. Now I'm making another shamrock out of cardboard paper that I happen to have from a FedEx envelope. But you can also use construction paper or any paper that you have. You could even use a cardboard box if you want to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is take our little piece of paper. It can be, I used like a note card or a poster board paper because it's a little stronger. Oh, and you'll need scissors to cut it out. So to make a heart, you're going to draw half a heart on your paper. So this is the paper, you fold it in half, and then you draw half of a heart. And you'll cut this out, and then you'll have this, and you open into a heart. All right. Then you're going to take your heart template, and you're going to trace it onto your paper, whichever kind you want to use. I'm going to make a 4-leaf clover. So I'm going to make a crisscross in the middle. So I'm going to make a cross, just like that. And then I'm going to trace my 4 hearts in that crisscross. Luckily, I made a heart template, but you can draw 4 hearts if you don't want to do the paper. If you don't want to make a tracer. But I like to make tracers. Makes it easier. Ooh. Okay. Now, after I'm done tracing my 4 hearts, I need to make a stem. The stem, I'm just going to use this side of my heart to trace it. So I'm going to line up the bottom of my heart, and it's going to tilt sideways. just a little bit. And then I'm going to trace just about to there, maybe part way up where it almost starts bending. Then I'm going to turn it and tilt it to there. Do the same thing. Then I'm going to make a little frowny face. Okay, now I'm going to color that in as much as you want, and you can make lines on it. You can make those into lines if you want. And then after you're done cutting or coloring it, you're going to glue on some things if you want, and then cut it out. And you will have your very own shamrock. 3 or 4 leaves is just fine. Good luck and happy St. Patrick's Day.